Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Hey, Melodies there, me the assembly bow. President Akufo-Addo Nsem ababetuja na as a citizen and not a spectator no. Yebebo nsem ne so na yebo so wia. Me so me wo nsem bisa ba ku mienu bi. Emma President Akufo-Addo. Na answer nebeto aso na subscribe na click the notification bell no so. We have the latest news be about one sir Ebeka. Sorry for that. Na nini na no say Oman Ghana ni ye yo na mimi obi a channel we follow acha wonim say obi kasa me de 2 mitrim the next day ne pakono ko kan bibia na mababa yi say embre bi wo kan say now young concept no so ye nim say the NDC are yet to release their manifesto or to launch their manifesto. Intino enyama wo mo pese wo mo ye ema Ghana no yen sheda nim bebre. We know just about 4 because former President Mahama at the 4 no atudwa. Na ba kon ene say Okada business will be legalized. Now Okada will be legalized Okada no, even though we don't know the other things are a war manifesto nim because they've not launched it since. And no one will be afar what they kasa. And then walk on the street now be say will be say oh Mahama say waba wabeye den ya will be say Okada. And people are sharing their views on it. Some people are saying say it is good. Some people are also saying say it is not good. Obviously the Okada owners and the Okada people themselves are saying say they welcome it. Because I just saw a video Okada for be ewa Shaiman. Womo ka say womo welcome it. Some very vocal people are also saying say eyadia ehun hia na Okada ne kran accident etaisi just nsem bebre. Even on Melodies your WhatsApp group nkofo bebre atre wo mo adwen on that particular Okada ne so. Now and the President Akufo-Addo eko Oman FM and wakoye interview na I think say it was about 1 hour 20 minutes long. Na nini na NSA wakoye ma yebisa ne so this the second radio interview at President Akufo-Addo aye. No, sorry, the third. The first one Wound to Me Radio e Kumase. Omoko Cape Coast e call launch wo manifesto and call ATL for Atlantic Hall wo radio station and I just say e ho no kan airport in sensem say wo hwa airport kra no e wo say ye we yetena se ye nhwehwemu ansa and the next day ba omi akokan say oh airport ye be ye no and a third one Oman. Now when they be President Akufo-Addo say, oh, President Akufo-Addo, Mahama say, wobe ye Okada, na Mahama akeka nsem say, Okada ya wose wobe ye ikra no. E di njuma bebre beba. And a President Akufo-Addo say, hey, ehene ha. Na Mahama nso pa. Wo time, na wo ba ni Okada. Na wo time na wo ba ni Okada and then wo be jino aka say wo di Okada be ba na Okada no be ye adwuma ana e di adwuma bebre imebunu no asim bibia wo say aseme na Mahama eke na one Okada no there is no way ebetumi di adwuma aba ebe saying planting for food and planting for sa adena ya na be feeding sa initiative na bind the buy no planting for food and jobs. NABCO. Was say we share planting for food and jobs. We share NABCO. One district, one factory. Krana. A yadia. A day over 2 million jobs. Aba. Now we no onjin di say. Okada no. Ebe to me de over 2 million jobs. Aye den aba. Na sa. Okada na Mahama epese wadeba no. A populist. Now. Yaka say. Bibi a populist. It's very simple. So will be striving to appeal to an individual, to the ordinary person. Epe say oh, o man microphone hu say oh, media me dwen mo ho, eno ne ka say oh, ade a o ye de populist. Say ade no, o pese o ye na microphone ka say oh, nipa we de odwen ye hu ni Nti o say ade a Mahama kan Okada nsem a wo kan na no is just a populist action. Now let me read the transcript. Mama Wati says sisi ade. even the president kra ekokasa wo radio station fofora yentumi fa audio number because nkrofo aso ayehye. But the best we can do is say I'll read the transcript for all of us and then we understand. Now, Asema President Akufo-Addo kind of say a law was made during the Mills Mahama era which banned Okada operations in Ghana. Today, John Mahama, has changed his mind. He said he is going to legalize it. How can that provide more jobs than NAPCO and Planting for Food and Jobs? We have provided over 2 million jobs with these social intervention initiatives. So how can you say that Okada will provide more jobs? It is just populist. It is another sign of inconsistency. When you are in power, you say one thing, and when you are out of power, you say something else. It doesn't help in creating better public discourse. Now, Asema President Akufo-Addo kan no, waya de president mo a. Na baby a wo kan ya, me pese me peke ebisa ensem ba ko mienu ene baby a wo kan say another sign of inconsistency. When you are in power, you say one thing, and when you are out of power, you say something else. It doesn't help in creating better public discourse. President Akufo-Addo say uni aban mu a o kan one thing, o kan bibi foforo, oba aban mu so a na wo kan bibi foforo e ya ade a emboa na meda president asese se wa kan sa asem no na sa asem ne ya ade bi a eye ne kre emboa ba ko sei. And even he, the president of the land, ye betumi abobo nyama bi so a wo kan ye a ende wo ba ya wo kan different things. It is no president Nangasa can say it doesn't help in public discourse. Yet Danyankopon wants say the president knows this. Yet Danyankopon wants say the president knows this. But won't say as someone made the make can say and now na mene abrantie bia oye juma wo Flagstaff House. Na mene ne ye debate on these particular things here e social media. Me no eto de bia me was social media sana na ebia NDC ni bi to me betra de na ma say o asemu ya ne pay atroi me pese me engage ne pakro no obon se na akwa da ni debate but enya atendidie MPP nso obetra de na akwa da ni debate nti abranche bi a wo ye adwuma e wo Flagstaff House ena chese wo be posti bi sa time Mahama wo kada nsem ya ena branch ne beka say na wo Mahama pa wo ni pakri ono so oyusu word inconsistency bwa na wo ba ne ade ende de nti ho na me bisa branch ne say oh say wo hwe me bisa ne say wo ye den ni eno so ya asantimi ena me say oh say asante fokra bu baby say sankofa wo hoyi ye nchin ena bible na nkasa say sebe previous a wo kwasea ena won sesa na adwen nti say Mahama 8 years ago, wo hun say Okada enye na wo bane no. Na bia this time around we hun say eye. Wo be we ya. Why do we need to judge him on the decision he took 8 years ago? Meanwhile, Bible address say okasia na won sesa na adwen. Me kan sa asem no okaso we no enye say okasia no sesa na adwen bia na Mahama no wo pe vote keke. Na me kan say oh, unim. I just want to play the devil's advocate. I just want to play an advocacy for the devil. Sana me catch a branch and I'm gonna say, hey, onim say President Akufo-Addo, ansa na wo beba no ye nia ye nim se ma wo ka fa galamsey for ho. Bibi sa no e no say ai. And I'm say onim say wo hye omo boso wo ba, wo be hyem kina. Bende galamsey for no ye den wo musu. Inti e no, wo pese wo use the same word inconsistency for the president. Me assure say me no yenti and me assure say wo no won ti ase. You say no, he's not inconsistent, but we want to say Mahama is inconsistent and we don't want to say President Akufo-Addo is inconsistent. But you see what President Akufo-Addo said, it is true. Ayanekre uni abemu a uhun different, oba abemu a uhun different. That is why President Akufo-Addo ba abemu obehu say say galamsey say yensu woni aban mu no na woni se galamsey se yensu nti wo ko hye omobo wo ba aban mu eno be hu se 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 yensu ena wo ye den wo clamp it down on them. What you say? So me de make no e two things na me de ato ho. If ye can say Mahama eba ni Okada embra na wo ye vice president na ne president atamils eba ni ye embra na Mahama ye vice president nende Mahama pese wo de ba ni ye nia ye bo Mahama echi say oh you are inconsistent amati ase. But the same thing applies to the president. One also ka say galamsey wo be hye kina wo ba no we all have seen what happened. It's a no so no. What because the president was inconsistent or what? Mama what you say media abuy your debo techi no and no na debo ba. The president Akufo-Addo can say oh ebia the Mahama aye no say Bible crack can say okwasia enensesa na adwenya. The same way na ke be defend the president Akufo-Addo say nkrofo ba no mo be ka say una ka say obeyese na wanye. Nti asem no mo ntwa mo ade comment box ni mo me da ase.